Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll be designing a gift certificate. So let's get straight into it.
Appy Pie has recently launched Appy Pie Design, a graphic design platform perfect for amateurs and businesses with budget restrictions. Explore Appy Pie Design and check out the affordable pricing plans.
So first of all, just click More at the top just here, and then look for gift certificate under marketing materials just here. So as you can see, gift certificate is this one just here. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one in from the left, or the third one from the right at the time of recording. But if they add more marketing materials, it will just be in here somewhere. So just look for gift certificate. Okay, so let's get straight into it by clicking it. Fantastic. So once this page has loaded, on the right here, this is the canvas, and on the left is all of the Canva layouts, which we will be using to help us design the gift certificate. Okay, so let's get straight into it. First things first, I am just going to rename the design and just call it a gift certificate design, just like this, and either hit enter or click the done button, and that will then automatically save. As you can see on the left here, the changes will be saved automatically. Fantastic. So now over on the left, we are going to pick one of these gift certificate layouts and turn it into a design. So let's get straight into it, of course. So we are going to do one for the $10, £10 Black Brick Training course coupons. Okay, so let's just look for something which will make that look very nice. Now with these, it is kind of like a business card. They give you the option to print them out, so you can actually do a front and back of the design, but you don't have to. Okay, so just take note of that. You of course do not have to. Let's just keep looking through them now. This one here looks quite nice. Let's have a look at this. 30% off. Okay, yeah, I think I could use this actually. So let's just type in here black brick, and then I'm going to type in the code black brick just here, all in capitals, just like so, and then make it a bit smaller so it doesn't take up the entire page. 32, 28 will do. There we go, fantastic. And make sure this design is centered. Lovely. And then down here we are going to type the ultimate online courses, full stop. Then we're going to do a comma and type in go from beginner to professional. Fantastic. And that is perfect. And then we have on wedding photography for the lovely June brides. So we're of course going to change that as well. So we're going to change that to get any course for just $10 using the code above. There we go, fantastic. So we have the name of the company, the name of the coupon, what the coupon does, and of course the slogan for the company. We also need the web address, but we can get that in just 1 second. First of all, we're going to remove this icon here and add something different. So let's go to elements and then icons and see what we can find on here. The light bulb seems to be good, I would say, but there's a few others which are good as well. But yeah, let's just use the light bulb and make it quite a bit smaller. Pop that in just here. Fantastic. And change the color. Now we can have any color we want. I think I'm going to make it the creamy color because that looks quite nice. The background image is currently people getting married, so we're going to change that. Let's go to MacBook, and then we'll get a nice MacBook image as it looks very professional and very stylish. So let's slide that in. There we go. And I might change that to a different image actually, because that one isn't perfect. There we go. That one's very nice. There we go. Perfect. So let's click on the image and have a look what filter. All right, it seems to be no filter. How about this? They have taken away some of the saturation. So let's bring that back and actually add some blur, because then it can focus on the actual offer in the center. So let's go plus 50 on the blur, as it actually removes some of the blur when you download it. So that is something to take note of course. So we have all of the main information on here now. That is centered. That looks very nice. I'm very happy with it, of course. And yeah, so that's very good. And of course, we need to add a new page, and we need to go back to layouts, and we will need the back of the gift certificate design. Okay, so once again, we need one of these MacBook images to remove this just here. So let's look for something on here. How about this one? No, let's just use the same image that we used for the front. And then if you double click it, you can choose which part is actually shown. So I'm going to take it down to about here, like so. That looks good. I like that. Very nice. Awesome. So then we have the silly little icon that looks like this again. Let's delete that. And let's just duplicate this one and move it down here. Like that. Fantastic. And make sure that it is all centered. Very nice. There we go. I'm just going to move it up a little. And then of course we need to type black brick. And then here we have the terms and conditions. Okay, so we need to change some of these. And at the bottom it says Wedding Snaps reserves the right to amend the terms and conditions without prior notice. So what I'm just going to do is, for legal reasons, if we do use this, just change it to black brick. Black brick reserves the right to amend these terms and conditions without prior notice. Okay, and the gift voucher is only good for a single transaction at Wedding Snaps, so let's just change this here. The gift voucher is only redeemable via the udemy.com website on any of Black Brick's courses. Fantastic. And we may have to take out some of this so it fits in one line. Okay, so if we change voucher to code, the gift code is only redeemable via the udemy.com website on any of Black Brick's courses. The gift voucher will be considered null and void if damaged or tampered with. We may as well just leave that. It's mainly going to be used online anyway. This is just for, of course, example purposes. But, of course, you do need the terms and conditions on the back for legal reasons, of course. This gift voucher will not be replaced when lost, damaged or stolen. In the event of any dispute, the decision of Wedding Snaps management is final. Okay, so I'm just going to change that to black brick just so it says us instead of them. Fantastic. There we go. So this doesn't really matter. If someone loses it, we will just give them a new one. Everyone has the code black brick and anyone can use it. So this doesn't matter too much, the terms and conditions. Anyone can use the code on any of our courses. But if you are using a physical coupon and you are actually going to print out the gift certificate that you are designing, you need to make sure that, of course, your terms and conditions are legally done and make sure that you do them all properly. So make sure you read them over and make sure that everything is done correctly. So you just want to go to File and Save, and you can, of course, download it and then print it off or email it or send it to any of your customers if you wish. But yeah, this is an awesome example of a gift certificate that you can design. This has taken no longer than 10 minutes and is an awesome design, and I'm very happy with it. So yes, that is that. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video and hopefully you learnt a lot. I've had a great time and hopefully you have too. So I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and goodbye.